8247. When the forecast weather conditions for a destination and alternate airport are considered marginal for a domestic air carrier's operation, what specific action should the dispatcher or pilot in command take? A. List an airport where the forecast weather is not marginal as the alternate. B. Add 1 additional hour of fuel based on cruise power settings for the airplane in use. C. List at least 1 additional alternate airport. The correct answer is C. When the forecast weather conditions for a destination and alternate airport are considered marginal for a domestic air carrier's operation, the specific action that the dispatcher or pilot in command should take is to list at least 1 additional alternate airport. 8256. Which dispatch requirement applies to a flag air carrier that is scheduled for a 7-hour IFR flight? A. No alternate airport is required if the forecast weather at the ETA at the destination airport is at least 1,500 feet and 3 miles. B. An alternate airport is not required if the ceiling will be at least 1,500 feet above the lowest circling MDA. C. An alternate airport is required. The correct answer is C. For a flag air carrier scheduled for a 7-hour IFR flight, an alternate airport is required. According to regulations, flag air carriers are required to have an alternate airport identified and listed in their flight plans for flights exceeding 6 hours. This requirement is in place to ensure that there is a suitable alternative landing option in case the weather conditions at the destination airport deteriorate below certain minimums. The specific requirements for the alternate airport will depend on the weather conditions and operational considerations. 8262. An alternate airport is not required to dispatch a flag air carrier airplane for a flight of less than 6 hours when the visibility for at least 1 hour before and 1 hour after the ETA at the destination airport is forecast to be A. 2 miles or greater. B. At least 3 miles or 2 miles more than the lowest applicable minimum. C. 3 miles. The correct answer is B. According to regulations, an alternate airport is not required for a flag air carrier airplane on a flight of less than 6 hours if the visibility for at least 1 hour before and 1 hour after the estimated time of arrival, ETA, at the destination airport is forecast to be at least 3 miles or 2 miles more than the lowest applicable minimum, whichever is greater. This visibility requirement ensures that there is sufficient visibility for safe landing and operations at the destination airport without the need for an alternate airport. 8251. When is a supplemental air carrier operating under IFR required to list an alternate airport for each destination airport within the 48 contiguous United States? A. When the forecast weather indicates the ceiling will be less than 1,000 feet and visibility less than 2 miles at the estimated time of arrival. B. On all flights, an alternate is required regardless of existing or forecast weather conditions at the destination. C. When the flight is scheduled for more than 6 hours en route. The correct answer is C. Supplemental air carriers operating under IFR are required to list an alternate airport for each destination airport within the 48 contiguous United States, regardless of the existing or forecast weather conditions at the destination. This requirement ensures that there is a suitable alternative landing option available in case the weather conditions at the destination deteriorate unexpectedly. The alternate airport must meet specific criteria regarding weather minimums and other operational considerations. 8254. Prior to listing an airport as an alternate airport in the dispatch or flight release, weather reports and forecasts must indicate that weather conditions will be at or above authorized minimums at that airport. A. For a period, 1 hour before or after the ETA. B. During the entire flight. C. When the flight arrives. The correct answer is C. If the appropriate weather reports, forecasts, or any combination of them do not show that the weather will be at or above the alternate weather minimums specified in the certificate holder's operation specifications for that airport when the flight arrives, then no airport may be listed as an alternate airport in the dispatch release or flight release.